Hi, as you know that today I am going to tell you about the control and coordination from biology class 10. Okay, let's start. All the living organisms respond and react to change in the environment around them. The changes in the environment to which the organisms respond and react are called stimuli, such as light, heat, cold, sound, smell, touch, etc. Control and coordination in animal is done with the help of two main systems, that is number one nervous system and another is endocrine system. First we'll talk about the nervous system. The nervous system is composed of specialized tissue is called nervous tissue. The nerve cells or neuron is the functional unit of the nervous system, and it is the nervous system which is mainly responsible for control or coordination in complex animal. Nervous system is mainly composed of brain, spinal cord and nerves, and though five sense organs, that is nose, eyes, ears, tongues and skin, are also the part of nervous system that plays an important role in nervous system. Let's know about the function of nervous system. The nervous system receives the information from the environment and from various body, and it is also to act according to the muscles and the glands. For example, when we touch a hot object, our skin helps us to sense the heat. The nerves carry the impulse to the brain through the spinal cord, and then the brain sends impulse to the muscles. Then what happened? We immediately take off the hand from the hot objects. Let's talk about the receptors. Receptors are the group of cells present in sense organs which are sensitive to change in environment. We have five types of receptors which are responsible for sensing the changes in environment. These receptors are specialized tips of some nerve cells that detect the information from the environment. Let's talk about the five types of sense organs. The first is ear. Our ear acts as phonoreceptors. It receives sounds. It helps in hearing and maintaining the balance of body. The next is our eyes. Our eyes act as photoreceptors. It receives lights. It helps in seeing. The next one is our skin. It acts as thermoreceptors. It feels the temperature of the environment. Next is our nose. It acts as olfactory receptors. It's responsible for smell detection. The last is tongue. It acts as gustatory receptors. It is sense of taste. Let's talk about the neuron. A neuron is the structural and functional unit of the nerve system. Neuron is the highly specialized cell which is responsible for the transmission of nerve impulse. The neuron consists of the following parts. Okay, let's study the picture. The blue one, it is looking like a star shape, that is cytone or cell body. In the middle of the cell body is nucleus. Many hair-like structures protruding out of the margin. These hair-like structures are called dendrites. It receives the nerve impulse. The next is axon. This is the tail of the neuron. It ends in several hair-like structures called axon terminals. These axon terminals relay nerve impulse. The yellow part is called myelin sheath. This is an insulator cover around the axon. The myelin sheath insulates the axon against nerves impulse from the surroundings. Okay, we'll talk about the synapse. It is also called the neuronal junction. It is a small gap between two neurons where nerves impulses are relayed by a neurotransmitter from the axon to a presynaptic, means sending neurons to dendrites of a postsynaptic neurons. I hope you have understood till here. In next video we will talk about the work of neurons, types of neurons, etc. Till then, bye bye.